Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of apple cider vinegar? Well, you're not alone. Apple cider vinegar, often referred to as ACV, has been touted as a natural remedy for a variety of health concerns. Although more research is needed to substantiate some of these claims, here are 10 potential benefits that are often associated with apple cider vinegar. Firstly, apple cider vinegar may aid in weight loss. Some studies suggest that it can increase feelings of fullness, thereby reducing calorie intake. Secondly, it may also play a role in blood sugar control. ACV may improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, particularly after meals. Thirdly, some research has suggested that apple cider vinegar could improve heart health by lowering cholesterol. However, more studies are needed to substantiate this claim. Fourth on our list is digestive health. ACV may aid digestion by increasing stomach acid production and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Fifthly, apple cider vinegar is often used as a natural remedy for acne and other skin conditions. This is due to its antibacterial properties. Sixth, ACV is believed to promote hair health. It may balance the pH of the scalp and hair, enhancing shine and reducing dandruff. Seventh, due to the acetic acid it contains, ACV has antimicrobial properties that may help ward off pathogens. Eighth, some animal studies suggest that ACV may have protective effects against certain chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. However, more research is needed in humans to confirm this. Ninth, while it may seem counterintuitive, some people find relief from acid reflux symptoms with diluted ACV. Last but not least, ACV can serve as a natural household cleaner due to its antimicrobial properties, providing a safer alternative to chemical cleaners. It's important to remember that while apple cider vinegar has potential health benefits, it should be used in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Consuming too much ACV or using it undiluted can cause irritation or damage to the throat and teeth due to its acidity. Moreover, individual responses to ACV can vary, so it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. So there you have it, 10 potential benefits of apple cider vinegar. It's more than just a kitchen staple, it's a versatile ingredient with a host of possible health benefits. Be sure to use it wisely and reap the rewards of this natural remedy.